Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for ANT. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. And the first key level we can notice is this monthly swing high here. As price comes up, hit, and reverses drastically. And we also notice long wicks reacting to the same key level. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level right here, as we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now, let's also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, as this is the lowest point price got before reversing. Now, let's hop to the weekly. So, here in the weekly, what do we notice? We can go ahead and plot a key level right here. So we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now we notice a key level here. We have multiple reactions acting as resistance. And let's make sure we color coordinate these key levels to the time frame we're working in. Now, if we notice here, we see multiple reactions to this key level here, and we notice on the weekly chart, price is broken above this key level. So, we have a level of resistance right here, and if we look left, we notice it lines up with these candle bodies and reactions over here acting as support. Now, we can also go ahead and plot a key level here. So we have multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. So, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly time frames for ANT. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.